Welcome to On-Chain Trenches. My name is 𝗬𝗵𝘁 and I am tired of the institutionalization of crypto. The Michael Saylors of this world taking on debt to buy more Bitcoin, doing some dubious financial engineering on it to then sell fake Bitcoin yield to TradFi guys and boomers, while exposing the entire industry to massive risk and potential liquidation cascades. That's not what I signed up for. Where are all the cypherpunks, DeFi natives, NFT lovers, on-chain trenchers, or pure degens gambling on meme coins, which I don't recommend? But where are all the on-chain users? Are they all gone? Are they all wrecked? Are they all dead? I don't think so. It's just no longer cool to be on-chain. But I am here to change that. I made it my mission to delve into the on-chain trenches and experiment with the latest and hottest DeFi applications, to tinker around with the newest AI agents and tools, to try out compelling on-chain games and interact with novel spot DEXs, perps DEXs, NFT launchpads, ICO platforms, and so much more. Just a few weeks ago, I had this massive revelation. I downloaded the 𝗬𝗫 wallet on my phone and interacted with 𝗪𝗵𝘆 for the very first time. There, I swapped USDC and Solana for Zcash, which I then sent to my transparent address on the 𝗬𝗫 wallet on my phone. Once it arrived there, the only thing I had to do was to click one single button to shield my Zcash, basically making it disappear from the surface of the world and shielding parts of my wealth so that nobody out there, nobody can track it. This was this truly revealing moment for myself. I mean, if I hadn't gone through these painful steps of downloading a new wallet, of interacting with a new DeFi application that I never heard before, I was a bit scared, to be honest, to use 𝗪𝗵𝘆, but that showed me how fast the technology progressed and how easy it has become to use crypto native applications. And that's why I was able to buy into Zcash at $50. But more importantly, it showed me that the technology is now at a level that it can be used by everybody. And that gave me the conviction to double down on Zcash, because I knew if I can use it with ease on my phone, I can send around private transactions. Everybody out there can do that as well. That experience showed me if I want to nail another 10x, 20x, 30x token run, I have to be constantly on-chain, to monitor what's going on in the trenches, but most importantly, to play around with these new DeFi applications, to basically understand if this application is easy to use, has it good UX, good UI, would I recommend it to my friends, or in the case of a game or a AI agent, is it fun to play, is it fun to interact with it, and could I see this application go mainstream and take over the world? Or in the case of DeFi applications, how is the revenue mechanism working? Where is the value accruing? Which then at a second point could be distributed to token holders. That's the very process how you discover the next runner. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do going forward. As of lately, I've been deep in the MetaDAO trenches. I spent hours researching novel topics such as ownership coins, unruggable ICOs, and really try to understand the mechanics behind feudarchy, which then gave me the knowledge and the confidence to jump into the trenches and participate in several ICOs that launched on MetaDAO and bought early into these ownership coins. Furthermore, I participated in several feudarchy proposals, which gave me a feeling how it works, not only in practice but also in theory. But you will only understand if those applications have real product market fit, could go viral, or have the potential to generate massive revenue if you are constantly on-chain digging in the trenches. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do going forward with this YouTube channel. And if you would like to follow me on this journey, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. There is one thing for sure, this is going to be a hell of a ride. It will be super fun, but be warned, it will also be crazy volatile with lots of ups and downs. But in the end, I promise you, we will be able to dig out some real DeFi gems, scoop them up before everybody else knows about them, and then ride the meteoric rise of those coins. So guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and then see you in the on-chain trenches.